Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Confidence with me, Diana. I'm really glad you're here. Whether you're learning English from the beginning or just trying to feel more confident when you speak, this podcast is for you. So grab your coffee, tea, or whatever you like, and let's hang out for a bit. Today, I thought we could do something simple and fun. Let's just talk the way friends do. And I'll walk you through a normal day in my life so you can practice listening to natural, everyday English. All right, let's start. So, most mornings I wake up around 6:30. I'm not a super early person, but I also don't like sleeping too late. First thing I do? Honestly, I stare at my phone for a minute and try to remember what day it is. Then I stretch, sit up slowly, and say something like, "Okay, let's try to have a good day." After that, I head to the bathroom to wash my face and brush my teeth. The cold water wakes me up, sometimes too much. Then I take a quick shower and get dressed. Breakfast for me is very simple. I'm not fancy. Most days, I eat oatmeal with bananas or sometimes just toast. And I always make tea. If I don't drink tea in the morning, I don't feel like myself. What about you? Are you a breakfast person or do you just grab something quick on the way out? After breakfast, I sit at my desk and check my planner. I work from home, so I open my laptop, look at my messages, and write a little list of what I need to do for the day. Usually, it's things like record a podcast, answer comments, prepare lessons, maybe edit a video, the usual stuff. From around 9 till 12, I work on podcast things. I write notes, think about topics, and record episodes like this one. Sometimes I edit the audio, and sometimes I don't. It depends on how many mistakes I make that day. Around 12:30, I make lunch. Today, I made pasta with vegetables and a small salad. Nothing complicated, just something warm and quick. After eating, I take short breaks. I sit by the window, drink tea, and just breathe for a minute. Do you take breaks during the day? You should. Even a 5-minute break helps your brain relax. In the afternoon, I go back to work for a bit, or I read. I love reading in English and in my own language, Maltese. Right now, I'm reading a book about women who travel alone around the world. It's inspiring and makes me want to pack my bags and just go. At around 5:30, I try to go for a walk. There's a little walking path near my home, so I put on some music, enjoy the fresh air, and look at the sky. If it's the sunset, the colors are amazing. Pink, orange, gold. It always makes me feel calm. Dinner happens around 7. Nothing heavy, maybe soup or grilled veggies. After dinner, I clean up and then relax a bit. Around 8:45, I usually watch something on Netflix. Right now, I'm watching a funny show, and honestly, I watch it mostly to unwind and laugh. What do you like to watch in the evening? Finally, around 10:30, I get ready for bed. I wash my face, brush my teeth, read a few pages of whatever book I'm into, and then I turn off the lights. Before I fall asleep, I always say something small to myself, like, "Thank you for today." It helps me end the day with a peaceful mind. And that's pretty much a normal day for me. If you want to practice, try talking about your day too. You can write it down or say it out loud. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak naturally the way you would talk to a friend. Thank you so much for spending time with me today on Hello Confidence. I'm proud of you for practicing your English, and I hope this little conversation made you smile and learn something new. Until next time, take care, stay kind, and keep learning. Bye-bye!